welcome back to our part 4 of making simple programs by Jupyter Notebook. So, in this part, I will tell you how to use the spider also. This one, okay? So, let's first launch the spider till time you can wait. It is being launched. Till then, let's view on our simple projects that we have to make. First, we are going to make a program to calculate the grade of a student. Then we have a program to make the find the perfect squares for the given range. Then we have a program to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so firstly let's make these projects. So this is the first project in which we are going to calculate the what we are going to calculate how to find the grade of a student. Okay, so in this we are going to calculate how to find the grade of a student. So firstly, we have made three input, for five input panels that will take the input of all the subjects. Then average of it divided by 5. If the average is above 90, grade A. Like this, the average will be maintained. So let's copy this code and input it into the spider. So as you can see here, this is a spider panel where you can see file, edit, search, source, run, debug, consoles, projects, tools, window and help option. Here you can save the project, create new cell, run the file and run the cell. These are all something. It is powered by Python. So let's run the cell and see how it works. So the enter the first subject marks like it is of out of 100. So it will be 90, 85, 77, 90 and 88. Grade B it got. Okay, so this is how it ran. In spider nothing is that, but it is simple to use also. If you can't understand how to use it, it helps us to code also. It is same as PyCharm. Okay, but it has all the things installed, pre-installed in it. Here also you can type the code here in the console also. Like I will type print hello world. It will print hello. This is also a type only. It has both like Jupyter Notebook plus console like PyCharm. Okay, now let's move on to our next program, which is of finding perfect squares. So perfect squares, in this we will find the user must enter the upper and lower range of a number, okay, between which you need to find. Then a list will be created using list comprehension, where the element is a perfect square within the range. This list must be then printed. So let's make it. So this is a code that I have made. It's simple. It will first take a lower range then a upper range. Okay, then it will be put in ax for x in range this. If init is 0.52 is equals to this, then sum list map init string. Okay, like this, and it will print the list. So let's put the upper range 1, sorry, lower range 1 and upper range will be 11. So 149. Now let's run this code in our spider. Okay, now let's run it. Enter the lower range will be 9, upper range will be 50. Here as you can see 9, 16, 25 and 36. Let me prove also this. What are the perfect squares between 1 to 50? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. So 9 to 50 I asked. No, 9 to what range I asked? 9 to 50 only. It didn't printed. Oh, 49. 7. Forgot 49 I think. 36, 50. Oh, okay. So it minuses it. If I will print again, let me run it again. Upper range will be 9. Lower range will be 9 and upper range will be 60. It is taking, it has some error, so we will solve it later, but it prints the thing what we need. Okay, so now what we have next, we have a Python program to find the area of a triangle. Okay, this area of a triangle is simple but helpful too. Like as you have seen, we sum of all sides is equals to the area of a triangle, so it is very easy to make. Let's go to our home. Here first we will import math. Okay, first import math, then we will make 3 ABC, then a plus b plus c divided by 2, square of it, then it will print all the areas. So let's, first area, first side will be 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10. Area is 19.81. Like this area of a triangle, and let's run this code in spider also. 5 here, 5, 8, 10. 9 point, same answer. So this is how we can use spider also. Let me give you a brief introduction of spider. Okay, spider is nothing. It is a IDE shell for the Python users who use Python. It is made for the scientific reasons. Okay, it has help, variable explorer. Okay, here it variables that are used, debugger, profiler, plots, files, the files we have, and find current working directory, code analysis. This is a console plus history. The history what code we have run, and console. This is a editor menu where you can edit. Okay. This is new file, open file, save the file, save all files, print a new, create a new shell. This is one shell I have created. Now it will create a new shell. Okay. So run the shell, debug a file, debug a shell, current line. You can also divide it to a shells. Okay, this can also be divided into shell. This is a Python path manager. Okay, we have used spider page 3. In this we have all the like anaconda toolbox, anaconda cloud notebooks, Jupyter lab, Qt console, PyQt, GUI, graphical user interface. For that, we also have Python anywhere, host and run anywhere on the cloud, can run it. These are all things you need to focus on, and that's all we have for today. Thank you, and thank you so much.
Please subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.